Hey there, today I will tell you how to set up a Verizon Wi-Fi extender. Are you struggling with weak Wi-Fi in some areas of your home? A Verizon Wi-Fi extender can help. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to set it up quickly and easily. First, start by plugging your Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet near your Verizon Internet gateway. Wait for the LED light to turn solid yellow. This means it's ready to pairing. Press and hold the unified button on the Wi-Fi extender for 3 seconds. Within 2 minutes, press the pair button on the Verizon Internet gateway. Both devices should start blinking blue, indicating their pairing. If the LED flashes red or 2 minutes, an error has occurred, restart the pairing process and try again. Once the Wi-Fi extender shows a solid white or blinking yellow light is paired, now unplug it and move it a location between your internet gateway and the area with the weak Wi-Fi coverage. Once the LED turns solid white, your setup is complete. Check your Wi-Fi signal strength in the area that had weak coverage or to confirm the extender is working. And that's it. Your Verizon Wi-Fi extender is now set up, giving you better coverage throughout your home. If this video helped, hit like button and subscribe for more tech tips.